Dear teacher, I share the with you the chosen activity. Um, okay. My personal presentation. Okay. My name is Ivonne Alejandra Ortiz Vargas. I am married. I am 40 years old. I am from Ibagué, Lima. I am live Bogota. I am teacher. I am study psychology at UNAT. In my free time of often, dear teacher, I share with you the chosen exercise. Okay, my personal presentation. My name is Ivonne Alejandro Ortiz Vargas. I am married. Uh, I am 40 years old. I am from Ibagué, Lima. I live Bogota. I am teacher. I am study psychology at UNAT. In my free time, often I like to go to cinema. Okay, talking about my city. Uh, the main touristic place in Bogota are Monserrate, Plaza de Bolívar, the Candelaria, and Maloca in Salitre. Okay. Two parks like us, Mundo Aventura and Salitre Mágico in Bogota. Okay. Sport place like us, the camping stadium and aquatic complex. Okay. The typical food in my city are ajiaco santafereño, changua, sometimes mondongo. In the breakfast, in the people usually eat tamal with chocolate. Here in Bogota, we always celebrate the festival the summer festival, excuse me, the summer festival. Okay, the the theater festival, Sun Week, and kite festival. Okay. In Bogota, there are many places. You can many concert. You can ride the bike. Okay, can you go to a restaurant? A many restaurant. Many menus. You can go theater. You can visit near towns. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Bye.